Hi everyone, I'm SUMA BABU, the artist behind Palette Life. Today I came with a different video. I'm a huge Prabhas fan, the Bahubali actor. After watching the movie, I ended up making almost 100 oil paintings of the actor. Crazy, right? That's true. But I utilized this craziness to improve my art. Those days I used to make an average of 2 paintings in a week. That too in oil. Oil painting is a long process. You may have to apply different layers of paint to achieve the final result. Anyway, that was all fun. Full of energy. I was happy to make the same face over and over again. I never used to get bored. Prabhas' birthday falls on 23rd October. So thought of dedicating this video to him. At the same time, I'll be sharing some tips on portraiture. So watch till the end. Let's get started. This is my collection of Prabhas paintings. Yeah, I could manage to display it all. Now we'll go through this in detail. First of all, let me tell you, enjoy the paintings. I had spent hours of hard work on each of them. I was very particular about the facial expressions. I can talk like this for hours, but I promised you for sharing some art tips too. Let's see that first. The first tip I want to share is paint what you love. In other words, paint what makes you happy. Then the product will be convincing. Every painting is conceived in artist's mind first, but the reproduction of it happens when time comes. Some of the paintings happen so quickly, but some takes years to take birth. But some may vanish in our mind only. So trust the timing, just feed your thoughts. Things will happen automatically. The second tip would be reference picture matters a lot. It is said that artists are creators. We can imagine the things and paint them. But in case of portraiture, it won't work. We may need a good reference. You just have to reproduce them. Of course, you have freedom to paint the way you want. My third tip is skin tones. Skin tones are the basic thing you should take care of while doing a portrait. Slight tonal changes can make the model appear like a different personality. So do a proper study before painting a portrait. While doing portraiture, amateurs can follow scaling method. I'll do a separate video on this subject later. But gradually you should do freehand portraiture where you have to measure visually. I do follow this method. It may be difficult in the beginning, so practice some random sketches on a daily basis. My fifth tip would be to choose your comfortable medium for portraiture. Some may be good at pencil shading, so practice that till you make hyper-realistic portraits in pencil. It is a long journey. Same way, painting needs more practice. Try all the mediums. Every medium has its pros and cons. So need not to think about which one is the best. You can use mixed media also. Oil pastels over watercolor and acrylic is the best combination for the beginners. Later, you can try oil paint over acrylic too. So experiment more. You will find your style. These are my top 5 tips on portrait painting. Many happy returns of the day, Prabhas. May God bless you. Hope you all liked the video. Do subscribe, share and press that bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I post my new videos. Thanks for watching and keep painting.